National Educator.
Hello students, welcome to Mathematics Form 4, Lesson 1. Our topic today is statistics and the subtopic is calculation of mean of a data set. Objectives of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to, number 1, calculate the mean of ungrouped data. Number 2, calculate the mean of ungrouped data with frequencies. And objective 3, calculate the mean of grouped data using assumed mean, also known as the working mean. Introduction of the lesson. We shall begin by looking at some of the notations that are used in statistics. The first notation is known as the sigma notation. This notation is represented by the symbol as indicated there. This is the symbol of sigma, which is a Greek alphabet, and it is used in statistics to mean the total or the sum. The other notation that we shall use throughout the lesson is X bar. X bar is used to represent the mean of a data set. And therefore, most of the time, we shall not use the word mean, but we'll be representing the mean with the symbol X bar. You write an X and a bar on top of the X. Calculation of mean of ungrouped data. If X represents 7 numbers such as 6, 12, 4, 13, 5, 8, and 10. Those numbers are known as the data points, but the complete set of the data is known as the data set. To calculate the mean, we shall now start using the symbols that we learned, and that will be given by X bar representing the mean, which will be equals to summation. We agreed that symbol represents summation, and we are summing all the x's where the x is each data point. For example, x1 is 6, x2 is 12, 4 is x3, 13 x4, 5 x5, 8 x6, and 10 x7. That tells me I have a total of 7 data points. And therefore, when I sum that, I'll divide by the sample size. And the sample size is given by n. And the n in this case is the 7 data points. So in this case, we can see that we are summing all the data points. So we're beginning with the 6 plus 12 plus 4 plus 13 plus 5 plus 8 plus 10. If you take that sum, the total is 58. Then that 58 we divide by 7. And when we work out, the mean of that data set becomes 8.286. This is similar to what we usually do in our subjects. Suppose you are taking 7 subjects in your school, although I know some of you even take 8 subjects. If you want to understand the mean of your performance, you take the score that you got for subject X. Let's call it X1, mathematics, X2, English, all the way to the last subject. Then you tally, you take the total of the scores of your marks and then divide by the number of subjects that you take, and that gives you the mean. It is the same concept. The only new introduction is the notations that we agreed, the sigma and the X bar. So anytime we talk of X bar, we are talking of the mean, and then the mean is given by the summation of all the data points divided by the total number of the data points.